on part 4 of Grayson's airsoft guns.
Homemade
Airsoft guns. And
This is Zach, my partner.
And we are just going to show you guys the test run. Here we go.
Alrighty, well, I have my gun here. So, first thing you need to do, load it.
And one thing is this is able to shoot at people, and this is able to shoot in a house. We would never make something that dent the walls or something. Oh, Ellie. It's fine.
That's my sister, Ellie. Here I'm going to put the BBs in. Just slip them right in.
Oh, you're crap.
Thanks, Ellie. Well, the middle one, it's going to be kind of hard, so you have to make something to put it in, because that's like the hardest one to do it. Make sure that every BB is in there. Then what you want to do is just pump this up. Like, really good.
And then
And then
pull the trigger.
there.
That is
how you
our
make it.
airsoft gun. See you next time. Goodbye.